Hello everyone. Welcome to Onestop Academy English. Elon Musk is a self-taught rocket scientist and the greatest in his field. He claims that anyone can apply his first principle to learn and master anything in life. Today, we will analyze how we can use his first principle to be fluent and proficient in English language. If we apply Elon Musk's first principle, the first step would be breaking down language structures. Now, what does that mean? It involves to break down English into its basic components, which are grammar rules, sentence structures, vocabulary, and understanding the core principles behind each subject, such as breaking sentences into subject, verb, object components, or highlighting common grammatical patterns. Learning phonemes and pronunciation rules. For example, two words have the same spellings, like present or present. In present, we are stressing the first syllable, and in present, we are stressing the second syllable. Or if I say you, it means that I'm talking about you. Or if I say you, by changing the intonation pattern, I'm turning it into questions. So going by this rule, we need to learn the grammar and the basic rules. Some people say that you don't need to learn grammar. I don't agree with them, because you cannot learn a new language as an adult without learning the rules. Now, one might argue that natives speak a language without knowing the rules. That is true. But the question is that when do they start learning? They start learning from the time when they are born. Even kids, when they migrate to another country, they learn the language very quick, and they speak in the same accent as the natives. The reason is that children have different learning abilities, and this is a topic for another video maybe, because it's quite a vast topic. So here we are talking about the adults. If Elon Musk was your teacher, after teaching you the basic rules of language, he would encourage you to practically apply the language in real life situations where you have to apply what you learned. This could involve exercises where students engage in conversations, write essays, or participate in discussions, emphasizing the importance of using the language actively. Third step is problem-solving approach. Similar to his problem-solving approach in technology, Musk would encourage his students to approach language learning as a series of challenges to be solved. For example, tackling complex sentences or idiomatic expressions by breaking them down into simpler components and understanding the underlying logic. Musk would encourage students to continuously refine and improve their language skills. You will learn from mistakes and use feedback as a means to improve your language. You would use creative ways of learning English, possibly incorporating technology or unconventional methods to make the learning process more engaging and effective. It would involve using apps, videos like this, or interactive tools to supplement traditional teaching methods. Encouraging curiosity. Curiosity is a strength of any student. You must ask questions. You must ask questions yourself, to your teachers, and anyone who knows English. By asking questions yourself, you will reflect on the process of your language learning and you will know that where you need to improve and what are your strengths. It would likely inspire a deeper understanding and appreciation for the language. I find Musk's first principle ideology quite fascinating. How about you? What do you feel about that? Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section, and I will see you again with another lesson or another video soon. Bye.